Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with our new exercise, that is exercise number 27. Yesterday we have learned what is sum, what is subtracting, product, times. Now that only we have to write when the statement has been written. Now we will see the first question. Question number 1. Write the following using a letter. Now here you have to use a letter for writing that statement. Now our first question is the sum of a certain number and 3. Now the sum means what? Yesterday I've explained you sum means addition. Certain number and 3. Certain number we don't know, so that we will assume as x. Certain number, another number, that all numbers we are going to assume as x, y, or whatever letters you can take. So here the sum of a certain number and 3, that means a certain number is x and 3 means plus 3. So here we will write answer as the sum of the certain number and 3 is equal to x plus 3. You can see over here that same answer. The sum of the certain number we don't know. So we have assumed that number as x and 3, that means plus 3. Now we will see for the second one. The number obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. Now one number that is obtaining, it is obtaining by subtracting 11 from another number. So same way the another number we don't know. So we are assuming the another number as y and it is subtracting 11. The number obtained by subtracting 11 from another 11. From another number the 11 is subtracting. So we have to write another number as y subtracting 11. So the answer should be y minus 11. So here we have to subtract 11 from the another number. The another number we have assumed as y. So we have to subtract y minus 11. I hope you people have understanding it. Now we will move to the third one. You can see the third question. The third question is the product of 15 and another number. The product means, I told you product means multiplication of 15 and another number. So here 15 is the product of the another number. So we have to write 15. You will write like this also, 15 multiplied by a, or 15 aza is 15a. So here the product of 15 and another number we have assumed as a and the product is 15. So here we got answer as 15 multiplied by a is equal to 15a. Now we will move to our fourth sum. The fourth question is 4 times a number is 24. 4 times. 4 times means 4 multiplied by a number. A number we don't know. So we will write 4 multiplied by a number. Is means equal. Is means equal 24. So we will write here 24. So here 4 times a number is 24. We will write in the form of max, that is 4 multiplied by a equal to 24. When we read this number, 4 times a number is 24. So here we have completed our question number 1. Whatever is the question, that we have to convert into the number form or in a, so that we can get an answer. So here 4 times a number is 24 is 4 multiplied by x equal to 24. Okay, now practice set 27, question number 2. Now I will read the question. Question number 2, find out which operation must be done both of these equations in order to solve them. Now here you have to write the operation which you are going to do on both the side. Now first question is x plus 9 equal to 11. Second is x minus 4 equal to 9. Third is 8x equal to 24. And fourth one is x upon 6 equal to 3. Now we will start with our first one. Now in first question it is given x plus 9 equal to 11. Now here the letter is x. After the letter, whatever is the number, we have to take that opposite of that operation. The number will not change, only the operation will going to be changed. So here it is x plus 9 equal to 11. Now here plus 9 will change into minus. So that we have to write it subtracting. Now we have to use the word that is subtracting. What you are subtracting? You are subtracting 9 from both the sides. So you will write subtracting 9 from both the sides. Okay. Now the next second is x minus 4 equal to 9. X minus 4 equal to 9. Here the letter is x. Operation is minus. Now operation is minus. Opposite is add, plus. So the answers what you are going to write? Adding 4 on both the side. That you are going to write in the bracket. You will change the operation, but the number is not going to change. So here adding 4 on both the side. Okay. Now the next third one is 8x equal to 24. Now 8x means 8 should be multiplying by x. So here the operation is multiplication. So the multiplication will change into division. So you will write dividing both the side by 8. You are going to divide 8 by both the side. You can use dividing 8 both the side also, or you can use dividing both the side by 8. One another same statement it is, just little bit change. Now the fourth question is x upon 6 equal to 3. Now x upon 6, upon means it is division. Now if the division operation is there, it will change into multiplication. So what we have to write? We have to write multiplying both the side by 6. Multiplying both the side by 6. So here I hope you people have understood. Okay, now before starting question number 3, I am just going to explain you how you are going to solve the equation through some example. Now my first example, x plus 10 equal to 5. Now here this equation, we are going to solve it by step. Now the first step what you have to do, I now only have explained. First you have to change the operation. You have to change the operation and you have to write that operation in the form of bracket also. So the first step, just listen it properly. In this first step, what you are going to do, x, that is our letter, that will not change, plus 10. Plus 10 will be changed into Write in the chat box. Plus 10 will change into, okay, plus 10 will be changed into minus 10. Now minus 10, that means we are using the bracket, that is subtracting 10 from both the side. This statement we are going to use. Before writing that statement, we have to write in the equation also. So how you are going to write? You will write x as it is plus 10 as it is. Now you have changed the operation, that is minus. So here in this number only you will write minus 10 here also, because we have writing in the bracket subtracting my 10 from both the sides. So minus 10 equal to 5 minus 10. And then the statement what we have written, subtracting 10 from both the side. Is it clear? The first step, what you have to do, whatever are the numbers that will be changing. That means the operation will change, but the number will not change. And we have to write that operation and that number on both the side, because in the bracket we are writing that same statement. So the first step will be x plus 10 minus 10 equal to 5 minus 10, and in bracket you will write subtracting 10 from both the side. I hope the first step you people have understood. I will rub this statement. This statement will also containing marks, so you have to write in the side of the number. Okay. Now the next step, just see here, the next step would be, now here, okay, the next step would be, see here, x you will write as it is x. Now here you will see this number. This plus minus, I have explained you plus minus is what? Plus minus. I have explained you minus minus is what? Plus plus is what? Plus minus will be what? So plus minus will be what? Very good, Tanishka. Plus minus is minus. Plus minus is minus. So 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10. Very good. 10 minus 10 is 0. So what you will write? Plus 0. See here. You can write, you can see here plus minus. Plus minus is minus. So 10 में से 10 गया तो 0. The bigger number is 10. So उसका sign क्या है? Plus. So you will write here plus sign. Have you understood? Or else you can do. The second method, what you can do, you can see the number. You can cut like this also. So here x plus 0 equal to, now equal to, now 5 minus 10. What will be 5 minus 10? 5. 5 minus 10 will be 5. Is it right? No, it is very good. Arnav, Shrishti, Vignesh. That is minus 5. I told you the numbers, bigger number sign you have to put. So here will be minus 5. So our final answer, there are 3 steps. So our final answer will be x equal to minus 5. X equal to minus 5. Now once again I will explain you the same sum. Okay, now we will take another example for solving this type of equation only. My second question is, my second example is x plus 9 equal to 11. Now x plus 9 equal to 11. Now first of all, what we have to write? We have to write the letter x as it is. Now after x, what is the number? It is addition 9. So the number will not change, the operation will change. So what we will write over there? If it is plus 9, what number we will write? Very good. We will write minus 9. Minus 9 कहाँ लिखना है मुझे? On both the side. Very good. So here plus 9. As it is, I will write. After that, I will write minus 9. Okay, so what we have to write? We have to write x plus 9 minus 9 equal to 11 minus 9. And in bracket, what we will write? In bracket, what we will write? Just write in the chat box. Very good. Subtracting 9 on both the side. Okay. Now what will be my next step? Next step, as it is x, I will write x as it is. Then I will solve this sum, this one. Plus minus is minus. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So here I will write x plus 0. Equal to. Now x plus 0 is equal to. Now 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is what? Yes, 11 minus 9 is 2. So here I will write 2. No signing because 11 is the bigger number and the bigger number sign is positive only. So my final answer is what? X equal to 2. X equal to 2. Now I hope you people have understood this also. So here only I will stop, and next lecture I will explain some example of multiplication and division also.